Hello guys, welcome to Exam Grade 95 channel. Today video is on one linear polity questions. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम चैनल पर विजिट कर रहे हैं तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आर्टिकल 1 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया declares India to be a answer is union of states. Which article of the constitution deals with fundamental duties? Article 51A. A financial emergency can be declared by applying Article 360. District judge is under the control of High Court. The first state in India to implement Panchayati Raj system was Rajasthan. First President of independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The President of India can be removed from his office by the Parliament. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha first Speaker was Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. How many fundamental duties are there in our Indian Constitution? Answer is 11. 11 fundamental duties. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Part 3rd. Part 3rd deals with fundamental rights. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by which amendment? 42nd Amendment. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on 26 November 1949. Next question is, who is the chairman of the Planning Commission? Prime Minister. Next question number 15. Planning Commission of India was established in 1950. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Sucheta Kripalani. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. The idea of parliamentary form of government is adopted from UK, England. Number 19. To which category right to vote belongs? Political rights. Which article of the Constitution enjoins the state to establish village panchayat? Article 40. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? 12. 12 schedules in the Indian Constitution. Dual citizenship is a feature of federal government. In Indian Constitution, fundamental rights were taken from the Constitution of USA. Indian citizenship is granted by the Ministry of Home Affairs. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? In 1976. Fundamental duties added in the Constitution in 1976. How many fundamental rights were granted initially? 7. What can be the maximum interval between two sessions of Parliament? 6 months. The Speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called casting vote. The member of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. The name of the upper house of the Parliament? Answer is Rajya Sabha.